English Shadow Podcast. Hello, dear friends, and welcome to the English Shadow Podcast, a place where you can learn English step by step at your own comfortable speed.
Hi, everyone. I'm Daniel.
And I'm Emma.
Today's real-life topic is the mobile phone store, getting a SIM, choosing a plan, and fixing small problems.
We'll keep everything slow and clear for A1, A2 learners.
Ready? Let's begin.
We walk into a phone shop.
I need a new SIM and mobile data for work.
I want a cheap plan with international calls to my family.
The assistant smiles. I say, "Hello, we'd like to start service. We need 2 lines."
He asks about prepaid or monthly contract.
I say, "Prepaid for me. No contract."
I say, monthly for me with international minutes.
He shows 3 options on a card.
Small, 5 gigabyte data, unlimited text, $15.
Medium, 20 gigabytes data, unlimited calls, $25.
Large, 50 gigabytes data, unlimited calls, plus 50 international minutes, $35.
I choose medium.
I choose large.
He asks, physical SIM or eSIM?
I say, eSIM please, because my phone supports it.
I say, physical SIM, because I prefer the little card.
We show our ID and give a phone number and email.
He asks for our address for the account. We read it slowly.
For eSIM, he asks me to connect to Wi-Fi. I scan a QR code.
The phone says, activating, then eSIM ready.
For a physical SIM, he inserts the SIM with a small tool and restarts the phone.
We both make a test call and send a test text.
The assistant says, if data doesn't work, check mobile data, APN. It should set automatically.
He asks if we want the mobile app.
We download it. I create a password and turn on Face ID.
In the app, I can top up, buy a data add-on, and see usage.
I add auto pay for the monthly plan so I don't forget.
I set a spending cap, no more than $30 per month.
I switch on international calls in the app and check the rates to my country.
We also look at roaming for travel. The assistant says, turn on data roaming only when you travel and watch the price.
I want to keep my old number.
The assistant says I need a porting code, a code to move your number, from my old company.
I open my old company's chat. Hello, I need my port out code. They send it.
We type the code into the new app. It says, transfer tomorrow by 10 a.m.
Until then, I have a temporary number. That's okay.
We leave the shop. My mobile data doesn't work.
I say, try simple steps.
I turn airplane mode on and off. No change.
Next, restart the phone.
Still nothing. I open settings, mobile data, APN. It's empty.
We copy the APN from the card the assistant gave us, tap Save, and data starts working.
Great. I run a quick speed test. It's fine.
At home, my eSIM shows no service for 1 minute.
Maybe a tower update. She waits a moment.
The signal returns.
If not, I would open the app chat and write, no service at my address.
We talk about safety. If I lose my phone, I open the app and pause the SIM.
And I use Find My Device to lock the phone.
If I buy a new phone, I can move the eSIM or get a replacement SIM in the shop with my ID.
We also set a PIN for the SIM card and a screen lock.
Good habits keep our data safe.
Today, we chose a plan, activated SIM and eSIM, set up the app, turned on a roaming carefully, and learned to fix data with APN.
We also kept a phone number using a porting code, and we know what to do if a phone is lost.
Speak slowly in the store. I need a SIM with data. I want to keep my number. Please help me set up the APN.
Thanks for learning with us on the English Shadow podcast.
Subscribe, leave a comment with your plan choice and country, and we'll see you next time.